Well, boys, it has been a minute. It really has. And this hurricane, I want to say Ann. I don't know what was the name of the hurricane. It really devastated some places. But me and my wife and kids were fine. Our house is fine. We lost maybe, I don't know, a good, I want to say maybe 100 shingles, maybe like a wheelbarrow of shingles. But everybody is good. And I just got off of work today. I came out a couple weeks, well, I want to say 3-4 days ago. Came out to see what has been gone. I didn't bring the camera, but I'm here today. I'm going to show you these spots that I used to fish before I even started fishing. This has been years, long time, been maybe 10-15 years. Started fishing a lot. I started off, throwing the cast net. I went from cast net to rod and reel and doing both. And this hurricane devastated a lot of people, and I just want to say hopefully everybody's okay. I go out to the families that I hope everybody made it safe. And it was a very, very strong hurricane. And hopefully all y'all my subscribers are okay that lives here in Florida. And all we gotta do now is just rebuild. But I'm here to show you the spots that I fish. You have seen all my videos, and it's pretty bad. Not as bad, but it's pretty devastating, put it that way. And all my years being in a storm, this one was the worstest. So I'm gonna get down and out of my truck and go show you, and I'll get right back with you. Well, boys, these are one of my spots here. I fished on it, like I said, years and years. This is a lot of the debris here, a lot of it. And if you see further out there where those trees are all, that's where all the dock and the pier stuff's at. Trucks there. But look, it is bad. This used to be a walkway all through here. It goes to studs and everything. Look at it. There's nothing there no more. Just completely gone. Even the rail. Water's really high. Just gone. And this is the spot here in Fort Myers, almost I want to say downtown. Some people will know the spot and a lot of people won't. But yeah, it's just, look at it. It's just gone. And Then we're gonna go to the next side and show you the actual pier. This was just the floating dock where all the boats hang out. Well, all the boats, they can dock and come through. So yeah, and yeah, it's just so devastated. This is all the after effects. And then there's all the debris, there's all the stuff. This is all of it. Look at it. Just devastated. And the next side is like a boat, where you can, I guess, rent and park your boat. They all got shifted around. Some didn't make it, some did. Yeah, this is all the stuff what the storm did. It shoved everything here. There's a door, there's all different stuff. Just really bad. And here's most of the dock pier. There's half of it. And here's a dresser. I don't know whose dresser is it, but yeah, that's where it was. Well, that's where it was, and this is where it is now. The hurricane. And most of it was like the tree, like this guy. Look at this fucking massive tree that was right there. It's over here now. It's bad. It really was bad. The baddest hurricane I ever seen. Even this light post, it's all bented. Everything. Here's the pier rails. Look at it all. It's all shoved up on the opposite side. Look at it all. And there's a chair. And there's stuff there here I didn't even know. It's probably from other people's houses or their docks. I don't even know. But yeah, this is all of it. That's part of the pier, all of it. Here's the lighthouse. Pretty good condition. When you turn here, it looks like all that air must have, like. And then the worst part starts. There is no pier. It is gone. Well, except for all these here. Goes all the way up to that pier. House, well, that's still intact, but everything else is gone. Literally gone. Just gone. Well, I wanted to show you where I fished. I probably won't be fishing here anytime sooner. Maybe for a while, I don't know, but I gotta figure out more spots. And then, yeah, it was a very terrible storm. I want to say that hopefully everybody that subscribe to me is okay. And I wish the best of luck on all of y'all. Hopefully I made it. Hopefully I didn't have as a bad storm and, you know, devastated your place. If you did, my heart goes to you and everybody that subscribed and, you know, watch my videos. It was a really bad storm, and it, you know, it's gonna take a lot of fixing, but you know, we're Florida, especially me, I'm a Florida boy. We're here, we're gonna stick it, we're gonna fix what this hurricane did and make it all brand new, hopefully. And there's the better look of where the boat ramp is. Just gone. There's the half of it that I showed you and more over there, but yeah, there it is. Just gone. Just gone. I used to fish all of this on her. It is gone. Well, boys, I think I'm gonna go ahead and show you the other pier where I first began fishing. I was casting a net, and I'm gonna take you along. I'm in my truck and I'll show you the stuff. Pier that I first started fishing. All down there. I want to say it was at least a half a mile all the way. Just gone. Gone. I don't know if you see that little thing. Yep, they're gone. Everything is gone. Just gone.